yes, Tiny. A small salad.
I'll take a double triple bossy deluxe on a raft, 4x4 animal style. Extra shingles with a shimmy and a squeeze. Light axle grease, make it cry. Burn it and let it swim.
We serve food here, sir.
Great, Squidward. You finished. What's your wish?
My wish is that the people of Bikini Bottom will stop paying any attention to the inane dribble that is constantly streaming out of this dunderhead's mouth.
Gee, Squidward, maybe Santa will bring me a dictionary so I can understand what you just said.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street under the sun.
Yeah, we're with the pet hospital down the street, and I understand you have a dying animal on the premise.
You guys wouldn't know a good time if it bit you in the aft end. I'm going home. You guys ain't cool. You're lame.
Lame?
Lame. You're nerds, geeks, creeps, and babies.
Not babies.
I may be old, but even an old bag of shells like me knows that you haven't suggested one cool thing all night. So good night to you.